What if you could make viral posts even if you're not a designer or a copywriter and do it in minutes? Today I'll show you how to create jaw-dropping content using only AI tools you can access right now. And the last one might just blow your mind. These 3 AI tools are all you need to stand out online. No skills required. Hey everyone, I'm Alex Swift, your animated guide to getting business results fast with AI. If you want practical hacks, not complicated theories, you're in exactly the right place. What you'll learn today, here's the plan. First, we'll use an AI to write catchy post text. Next, we'll design a stunning image with others' AI features. And finally, I'll use a powerful to create scroll-stopping visuals that rack up likes and shares. Ready? Let's dive in. Watch me go from blank page to viral post in a few minutes. Step 1, ChatGPT for viral text content. Let's start with ChatGPT. I'll type a super simple prompter. Write a catchy Instagram post promoting a local coffee shop's new caramel latte. See, instant creative copy you can use for any business or product. And if you want a different vibe, just ask for a funny version or a mysterious one. One simple prompt and ChatGPT does the writing for you. Step 2, Canva AI for easy professional design. Time to make it visual. Canva AI's magic media tools let anyone turn words into pro graphics. Let's enter. Create a stylish, cozy coffee shop ad with golden caramel colors and happy people. And it is ready. Now just drag in your text from ChatGPT and boom, you've got a polished, share-ready image. No graphic design degree required. You type it, Canva makes it, designing faster than ever with AI. Step 3, Midjourney for scroll-stopping art. But if you want something super unique, check out Midjourney. Let's try. A dreamy caramel latte on a trendy marble table, photorealistic style, soft morning light. Get totally custom, eye-catching visuals for your brand or campaign. Share it as is or use it as your Canva background for extra magic. Midjourney gives you artwork people can't ignore. Perfect for standing out in the feed. Assemble and export. Your content is ready. All right, quick recap. Text from ChatGPT, visuals from Canva or Midjourney. Use the Canva to combine them and you've just created viral-worthy content and would do it without needing to hire anyone or waste hours searching for inspiration. Rapid tips. Boost your AI content game power tip. The more specific your prompts to AIs, the better the results. Add your brand colors, audience, or even a mood, what you want. The AI handles the rest. Have you tried any of these AI tools yet? Drop your favorite AI hack or your wildest prompt down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more tricks that will make your business and creativity unstoppable. And don't miss our next episode, how AI agents can run your business while you sleep. See you next time. Want more AI hacks that save you time and money? Hit subscribe and turn on the future now.